What's up everybody, how you doing? Welcome back to our channel JL Overlanding. Here I am on my way to another adventure. This time it's only me. We're expecting a baby, so my wife's not going to be able to join for the next couple trips, but she will be back soon. This time we're going to go again to Oklahoma. Kind of similar as the last time, but this time we're going to be a little bit far north. Last time we were in the Oachita Mountains or the Oachita National Forest, and this weekend I'm going to be exploring a little more about that area, and also an area called the Kiamichi Mountains. We're going to do a trail called the Honobia scenery route. It's just a scenery route that takes like 41 miles to complete, something like that. And on the next day we'll finish that one. We start today, next day we'll finish that one, and then we'll do another trail called the K Trail up there. So stay tuned and let's see how it goes. Before continuing our adventure, we realized that we needed some items, and we were lucky enough that this place opened recently in Road 259 in Oachita, Oklahoma. It's like a little market, and they have groceries and they have first necessity items. So if you're in the need of stopping for items before a campsite, this is the place to go, guys. Okay, so it's like 10 p.m. We stopped for food and we got a little bit distracted with time. We were talking and we enjoyed the place. It had music and everything. But anyways, we're like 27 minutes away from the place we're gonna be. That's the beginning of the trail, and then from there a couple more minutes for camp. So let's see how it goes. We're gonna do a little bit of night riding, so let's do this. After driving for almost 30 minutes and almost losing my drone during the night, we arrived at the campsite. However, it was overgrown and we needed to continue driving in order for us to find another and better campsite. Hey, good morning. This is where we end up camping last night. Also, it's nothing bad for the way we found it, which was like 1 a.m. in the morning after checking two other campsites that were like with high grass. So we ended up here with the lake in the background. I had it saved for other times, but it was the farthest one from the place we wanted to be. So, but not bad. ¿Cómo hacemos esto con una mano? Para pensar. So when we got here yesterday to the campsite, we found this probably 4th of July. Some people were here having you know, doing these fireworks, and they just left all this behind. So we're gonna clean it up and remember, you know, if you go to a campsite, just clean it even though it's not yours, you know, and you know, leave the area better than where you find it. I'm on my way back to the Honobia Scenic route. That's the one we started yesterday, the trail we started yesterday. But we couldn't camp in it because the grass was super tall, and then it was impossible to do that campsite. So we just decided to go to another one. Anyways, that's the plan for today. We're gonna do that trail, and then we're gonna head to another trail called K Trail. That's still not for sure. It depends how long we take on this one. This is how, you know, it usually happens. And I have another campsite that has water on it, so we don't know if we're gonna decide to go there or go to K Trail. We still don't know. I have a funny story. Last night I decided to fly my drone during the night and try the tracking mode. Don't even try it. It doesn't work during the night. I don't know what happened. Maybe it does, I don't know. But with the trees or and the darkness, probably it didn't work last night. I almost lose it. We lost the sight of it, and we were looking for that drone like for 20 something minutes, but at the end, you know, I was able to find it, but we almost lose it last night. So but anyways, let's see how it goes today. I always like to lower the pressure of the tires regardless of the difficulty of the trail, just because we want to have a softer, smoother ride and be more comfortable in our trail drives. So we just exit the Honobia scenery route. Now we did some changing plans. We're gonna do a trail called the K Trail, but it's 3 p.m. and then we wanna get to camp as soon as possible. So I change it for a route that it's called Glover Camp Road, I believe it is, and it's basically another trail. It's part of some trails that I already know, but this one ends in a campsite that it's near the water. So, and I never been there, so hopefully we can find it and see how it is. Let's see. We were trying to get to the campsite in a quicker way, but we got a little bit lost. So we're gonna head back to the main road and then be in our way again. we decided to do some trail cleaning. Let me clean this. And it's weird like that. We just saw that trail overgrown, and we just said, you know, let's just go ahead and clean it for everybody. There you go. A little bit more here. There's like a creek behind the campsite, and it still has water. It's a little bit dry, but with today's heat, it's perfect to get at least your feet wet. See. Okay, we're getting ready to cook. I have this like Asian chicken with rice. I don't want to have a lot of work cleaning or, you know, cooking too much today, so we're just gonna do that quickly and then spend the rest of the night here. In some mysterious way, woods have never seemed to me to be static things. In physical terms, I move through them, yet in metaphysical ones, they seem to move through me. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications, and please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. See you next time.